and welcome back to our final episode of the Great Tech Quiz, brought to you by the Cloud Career Mentor. We are at the final, and I am the host, Sarah Mackenzie, and I'm joined by our 4 finalists from this series. It's going to be a good one. Who is going to get the scholarship worth £3,000? The Cloud Career Mentorship is truly the gateway into a great job in tech. So, who's going to grab it? Let's find out. Let's meet today's finalists. You're back.
I'm back.
Tell me your name. I know you, I remember you, but for our new viewers, can you tell me your name, where you're from, and hit your buzzer to make sure it's working?
My name is Ibrahim from South London, and yeah, back.
All right.
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm from Birmingham, and
He's also back.
I'm Dwayne, and I'm from Milton Keynes.
You're sticking with the same buzzer, I see.
Yeah, I like the colour matching.
The colour
we've got
matches.
it going on.
And finally.
I'm Judith from Kent, and I'm back.
Oh, they mean business. I'm excited for this one. Let's play the Great Tech Quiz Final. Let's begin with round 1, the starter round. You may be familiar with the rules already, but let me explain. Each contestant will be asked 3 multiple choice questions, and at the end of round 1, we'll see where the scores are at. Okay, Ibrahim, you're going to go first. Are you ready?
Ready.
When deploying an application, what is the primary advantage of using blue-green deployment? Is it A, 0 downtime during deployment? B, reduced deployment complexity? C, gradual traffic shift between environments? Or D, avoidance of user traffic during deployment?
C.
It's incorrect. The answer is A, 0 downtime during deployment. C, this is more a characteristic of Canary development where traffic is gradually shifted. Question 2. This is your scenario. Your company wants to store long-term data that is rarely accessed, but it must be kept securely. Which cloud storage solution is best? A, hot storage, B, cold storage, C, content delivery network, CDN, or D, auto scaling?
B.
Correct. Well done. And your third question. This is your scenario. You need to search for a specific word inside a text file. Which command would you use? A, find, B, grep, C, echo, or D, tar?
Grip. B.
Correct. Well done. All right. And at the end of that, you had 2 out of 3. Okay, Michael, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's do it. Question 1. Which tool would you use to encrypt data at rest? A, IPsec, B, SSL, C, AES, or D, SNMP?
I think it's B, SSL.
It's incorrect. The answer is C, AES. So B, SSL secures the data during transmission, just not at rest. Okay, question 2. Which of the following is part of the operational excellence pillar of the cloud well-architected framework? A, implementing regular system backups. B, automating deployment pipelines. C, running databases on on-premises services. D, ignoring metrics or logos for faster performance.
I think it's A.
It's incorrect. The answer is B, automating deployment pipelines. Backups are important, but are more related to reliability. Okay, you can still steal a point here. So this is your third question, and the scenario is, you need to display all users currently logged into the system. Which command should you use? A, PS, B, who, C, top, D, users?
I think it's D, users.
It's B, who.
okay.
So D, users only list logged in users without details.
Cool. Okay.
So close, but it's only round one. All right, Dwayne, welcome back. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. So this is your scenario for question 1. Your company is planning a move from on-premises data centers to a cloud environment, but wants to retain some critical applications in-house. What is the best cloud deployment model for this situation? Is it A, public cloud, B, private cloud, C, hybrid cloud, or D, multi-cloud?
I'll go with C, hybrid cloud.
You can, and you would be correct. Well done. Question 2. Your scenario is this. You want to see a list of currently running processes on your Linux machine. Which command would you use? A, ls, B, ps, C, top, D, df.
I'll go with B, PS.
It's incorrect. The answer is C. PS shows processes, but it is more limited than top. Question 3. What is a key recommendation in the cost optimization pillar? A. Use the largest possible instance types for all workloads. B. Enable auto-scaling to dynamically adjust resources. C. Use on-demand instances exclusively. Or D. Manually track resource usage.
I think I'll go with B.
B. Correct. Well done. You can relax. And at the end of that round, Dwayne had 2 out of 3. Judith, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, your first question. This is a scenario. A company needs to quickly deploy several identical instances of a website application in multiple regions. What cloud feature makes this possible? A. Virtual Private Cloud, VPC. B. Cloud Templates. C. Cold Storage. Or D. DNS Management.
DNS management.
Is incorrect. The answer is B. Cloud Templates. DNS Management handles domain names, not app deployment. That's all right. On to question 2. Which deployment method is least likely to result in errors caused by human intervention? Is it A, manual deployment, B, canary deployment, C, A/B testing, or D, rolling deployment?
Canary deployment.
Correct. Well done. On to your last question of this round. This is your scenario. You want to divide a single physical server into multiple isolated environments to run different applications. Which technology should you use? A, load balancing, B, virtualization, C, DNS, or D, NAT?
Virtualization.
Correct. Well done. So at the end of that round, Judith, you have 2 out of 3. Congratulations. That is the end of round 1. So let's see where we're sitting with our scores. So at the end of that, Michael, you are on 0. Abraham, you are on 2. So are you, Dwayne, and so are you, Judith. So it's all to play for. That is just round 1. Right, how are we feeling?
Nervous, like a little bit nervous, but
Yeah.
obviously try and get through it.
I do think that your episode was quite intense, so you should be used to it. But it is a
Never get
different
used to
stake,
it.
isn't it?
Yeah, just ready for the buzz around.
Oh, I can see you're ready. And Michael, how are you doing?
I'm a bit sad that I didn't get through, but I'm glad that I'm here with you guys, so it's been a good one.
Yeah, well, as you can see from previous episodes, it can totally change in the different rounds. So don't worry too much right now. Dwayne, how are you feeling after round 1?
Yeah, excited for the next round and see
Yeah.
how it goes, yeah.
With your lucky buzzer?
Oh, yeah, colour matching. Yeah.
And Judith, you did really well in that round. How are you feeling?
Quite hopeful.
Good. quietly hopeful or just quite hopeful? Well, all right, let's get on with the quiz. Well, we know how our contestants are doing, but how are you doing at home? We want to know, so make sure you're commenting with your answers and keep score because you might beat them. Now, let's crack on with round 2. This is the quickfire round. This is when we get to put those fingers on those buzzers. Now, I'm going to ask a question. The quickest player to buzz in will give me their answer. If it's correct, they'll get the point. If not, they are frozen out until the player that buzzes in with the correct answer. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, fingers on buzzers, please. Let's play the Great Tech Quiz. Question 1. What does SQL stand for in databases? Michael, straight in there.
It's a relational database.
What
So
does it
SQL.
stand for? SQL.
Is it structured query language?
Correct.
Thank you.
Yes, Abraham got the point. Question 2. In the Linux command line, what 2-letter command is used to copy files? Dwayne.
CP.
Correct. This is a multiple choice question. Which of the following is a best practice for the security pillar? A. Grant all users admin access for flexibility. B. Enable logging and monitoring of all system activity. C. Turn off encryption for better performance. Or D. Share the same IAM role across multiple applications. Abraham, you were in there.
B.
Correct. Well done.
Did you say B or D?
B.
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 B. It's B. Oh,
B.
okay.
Enable logging and monitoring of all system activity. Oh, this is getting tense. I'm just going to have to come to the fact checker. He's checking. He's checking.
Yeah.
Okay, next question. You ready?
Yeah.
Fingers on buzzers. Multiple choice. What is the purpose of a firewall? A. To block unauthorized access to or from a network. B. To delete old files automatically. C. To create and manage databases. Or D. To improve Wi-Fi signaling. Michael got in there.
It's A.
Correct. Well done. This is going to be the last question of this round. It is a multiple choice question. What is the primary function of an antivirus program? A. To back up files. B. To prevent unauthorized access. C. To detect and remove malware. Or D. To increase internet speed. Okay. Who buzzed in first there fairly? I think Michael did buzz in first.
I think it's C.
Correct.
Cool.
There you
Okay.
go.
Thanks.
You didn't need the answers reread.
need it.
And that is the end of our quick fire round.
Cool.
Are you ready to stop struggling and start succeeding in your journey to a cloud career? Every day you spend learning scattered information or applying to roles without a plan is a day you could be moving closer to your dream job. 3 simple steps to your first cloud job is the guide that you need to stop spinning your wheels. It offers a clear, actionable process to help you build the right cloud skills faster and with a structured learning plan. Create projects that demonstrate your technical expertise. Stand out to recruiters with a polished resume and standout interviews. Opportunities in the cloud industry are growing every day, but competition is fierce. The sooner you start with the right plan, the faster you can leave frustration behind and step into your dream role. Don't miss the chance to download your free guide now and take the first step towards your cloud career. Oh, guys, you're making me feel nervous. I feel like I'm in the running for this scholarship. But that was an intense round. I'm going to tell you where you're at with the scores, and then I'm going to come and have a wee chat and see how you're feeling. First up, Judith, you are on 2 points. Dwayne, you are sitting on 3 points. Michael, you've got 2 points. And Ibrahim is currently in the lead with 4 points. How are you feeling, Ibrahim?
Oh, I know the next round is gonna determine who goes through. So I'm doing a lot of calculations in my head right now. But yeah.
Yeah, this is, I mean, I think we've learned from the previous episodes that this is the round. The next round can really throw the
change
game.
the game, yeah.
Okay. And Michael, you did really well in that round.
Yes, yeah, definitely.
That buzzer round bumped you up some points. How are you feeling?
Nervous, but I feel like there's hope. So
Yes.
I'm hopeful.
There's always hope. Dwayne, good round for you.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah?
I'm looking forward to the next round, so let's see how it goes.
You're strong and steady.
Yeah, let's see how it goes.
And Judith, all to play for. How are you feeling?
Still quite hopeful.
This is good.
We can be hopeful together.
Okay, round 3. It's going to be more tense than ever. This is the round which can really change the scores. So, these contestants will have a choice. They can either opt to answer an easy question or a hard question. If they go for an easy question and get it correct, they will gain 2 points. However, if they get it wrong, they will drop 2 points. Now, they could go for a hard question, and if they get it correct, they'll get 4 points. But of course, if they get it wrong, they're going to drop 4 points. And this time, the 2 contestants with the lowest scores are going to leave the competition. So it really is all to play for now. Let's play the Great Tech Quiz. Okay, Ibrahim, you're going to go first. Are you going to play with fire and go for that hard question, or play it safe?
My mind is telling me to go for the hard question, but I feel like if I'm strategic, I should go for the easy question because that's to give me a chance in the game. But if I go for a hard question, I'm 100% in the finals. Okay, let's go for easy. Let's be strategic.
Yeah?
Let's stay in the game.
Let's play it safe. Get you there. This is your question. What is the main purpose of an operating system? A, to compile code. B, to manage computer hardware and software resources. C, to design websites. Or D, to run antivirus software.
B.
Correct. Well done. 2 points to you. Okay, we come to you, Michael. How are you feeling? Are you going to go easy or hard?
I think I'm going to take a risk.
Yeah?
I'll go for a hard one.
Go for the hard one? Let's see if it pays off. Here's your question. On the Linux command line, if you want to display all open network connections and listening ports on your system, which command would you use? A, netstat-tulin, B, ping, C, traceroute, or D, psaux?
I think it could be D.
Are you going with D?
I think, yeah, I'll go with D.
It's incorrect. The answer was A, netstat-tulin. D, list processes, not network connections.
Okay.
But you were brave. You went there. Dwayne, you're up. How are we feeling? We're going to go easy or are we going to go hard?
I'm just trying to think in terms of what I should go for. Yeah, this is as Ibrahim said, it's
Yeah, it's
quite,
whether you risk it or...
exactly. It's that risky. Let me play it safe. I'll go the easy.
You're going to go easy?
Yeah.
What is infrastructure as code in a cloud context? A, a method to manually configure cloud resources. B, a scripting tool to encrypt cloud data. C, a way to manage and provision infrastructure using code, enabling automated and repeatable deployments. Or D, a tool to analyze cloud cost efficiency.
I'll go for C.
C? Correct. Well done. We come to you, Judith. Quietly, confident. How are we feeling? Are we going to go easy or hard?
Low risk, easy.
Low risk. We're going easy. This is your question. What is a database used for? A, creating websites. B, storing and organizing data. C, editing videos. Or D, designing user interfaces.
B.
Correct. Well done. That is the end of round 3, the drop-off round. And that's exactly what it is. 2 contestants are sadly going to leave us. So let's find out what the scores were. With 6 points, the first person through to the final round of the final, it is Ibrahim. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
And with 5 points, joining him in the final, it's Dwayne. Congratulations. Which means, unfortunately, Michael and Judith, you haven't scored enough to quite make it through this time. But thank you for coming along. You were great contestants. And let's hope we'll see you in the next series. All right, it's round 4 of the final of the Great Tech Quiz. We're about to find out who is going to win that scholarship for the Cloud Career Mentorship that is just going to get them into the tech industry and get their dream job. Okay, we're going to go head to head. This is how it's going to work. I'm going to ask both players 5 questions. If it's a tie, we'll go to sudden death. Whoever wins the show. Of course, just like those previous episodes, we're going back to 0. It's an even playing field. Are you both ready?
Ready?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's play the final round of the Great Tech Quiz. Ibrahim, you're going to be first. This is a scenario question. You want to change the current directory to the parent directory. Which command would you use? A, cd / B, cd ... C, cd tilde, or D, cd ...
cd.b.
Correct. Well done. Dwayne, we come to you. What does a proxy server do? A, encrypts data. B, prevents denial of service attacks. C, acts as an intermediary for requests from clients seeking resources from other servers. Or D, blocks phishing attempts.
I'll go for C, please.
Correct. Well done. All right, back to you. This is your scenario. A company needs to store large volumes of data that must be retained for regulatory reasons but rarely accessed. What cloud storage option should they consider? A, hot storage. B, cold storage. C, load balancing. Or D, object storage.
B, cold storage.
B,
Cold storage.
correct. Back to you, Dwayne. What does multi-tenancy mean in cloud computing? A, multiple users sharing the same physical and virtual resources in the cloud. B, each user having dedicated hardware in the cloud. C, users hosting their applications on premises and in the cloud simultaneously. Or D, a single tenant using all available cloud resources.
I think it's A.
You think correctly. Well done. Okay, back to you, Ibrahim. This is your scenario. Your company is implementing a multi-cloud strategy to avoid vendor lock-in. What is a potential challenge with this approach? A, increased security. B, higher infrastructure costs due to data transfer between cloud providers. C, simplified application management. Or D, automatic data synchronization between clouds.
B.
Correct. Oh, this is very close. Okay, Dwayne. This is your scenario. Your company is planning to deploy a highly available application across multiple regions for disaster recovery purposes. What should they use to ensure users are directed to the nearest healthy instance of the application? A. Load balancer. B. DNS-based global traffic management. C. Cloud bursting. Or D. Object storage.
I think it's A.
Incorrect. B. Yes, you knew it. Yeah, the answer is B. DNS-based global traffic management. A. Load balancers distribute traffic within a region or between instances but don't handle the global traffic management. Which file format does Terraform use to define infrastructure resources? A. JSON. B. YAML. C. HCL. Or D. XML.
Oh, not too sure. I'm not too sure, but I'm thinking, is it B, YAML? But I'm not sure.
It's incorrect. It was C, HCL. YAML is used by tools, but it's not a Terraform. Okay, back to Dwayne. What does the Terraform plan command do? A. Applies changes to infrastructure. B. Creates a blueprint of proposed changes. C. Destroys existing infrastructure. Or D. Initializes the Terraform working directory.
I'll go for B, please.
Correct. Well done. All right, Ibrahim. Which server configuration tool is agentless, meaning it does not require software installed on the client machines? A. Puppet. B. Chef. C. Ansible. Or D. SaltStack.
A.
Going for A. It's incorrect. It was C. Ansible. So A, the Puppet requires an agent to be installed on client machines. Dwayne, if you get this correct, you have won the Great Tech Quiz. This is your question. In a cron tab schedule, what does the asterisk symbol represent? A, the task will run only once. B, the task will not run at all. C, the task will run at every possible value for that field. Or D, the task will only run on weekends.
I think it's C.
You're going for C.
Yes, please.
Correct. Congratulations, Dwayne. You are our winner of the Great Tech Quiz. Congratulations.
Good game.
Ibrahim, I'm so sorry, but you were a great runner-up.
Thank
A
you.
big round of applause for both of you. Well done.
Well done, man. Well done. That was.
Congratulations.
Yeah, you did so well.
Oh,
Thank you.
how are you feeling? You've won.
Yeah, I just can't believe it. Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
yeah. Thank you so much.
You played a really good game.
Yeah, it was ups and downs.
Yeah.
I thought the comeback king was going to get me there. He was so strong at the end, but
Yeah.
and then what an awesome contestant as well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ibrahim, I'm so
No.
sorry. You played such a great game though. How are you feeling?
I'm a little bit obviously disappointed, but I'm happy. I enjoyed the whole experience. I've learned a lot because obviously I had to learn a lot about Linux as well for this. I've learned a lot and I've made a lot of connection as
Yeah.
well, and obviously a award-deserving winner as well.
Great. Well, you were a really great runner-up. Congratulations.
Thank
This concludes this series of the Great Tech Quiz. If you've enjoyed watching at home and you'd like to be in the next series, then make sure you click on the link and apply. We'll see you next time. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed it. The next video will be out next week, but if you're watching from the future, you can click here to watch it. If you want a free video on a great strategy you can follow to break into the cloud industry, you can click here.